2017 3-ton listed heat pump, Copeland scroll compressor, suction accumulator. You saw that. This one's a straight cool. That's a straight cool. R4 Trane refrigerant. I don't know. 2015 actually, yeah, that's a 7.5 ton right there. Same thing. Okay, let's see if I can find any old ones. That is really that's still here. All the old units seem to be getting replaced. Don't know if this is a straight cool unit or a heat pump yet. Climate tough reciprocating. Okay. Listed heat pump. Yeah, that's a heat pump. January of 05. 4-ton. Yeah, gas meter right there, so you know what there might be. And there used to be 2 more old units over here. They got replaced as well. What in the world? What in the world? I wish I filmed them. Well, it was before I started my YouTube channel that these were gone. Yeah, that's a Copeland scroll compressor. I think this is like a Heil. Yeah, it's a Heil. 2015 3-ton. This is probably also a Heil. Yeah. It's a straight cool unit. What's the data sheet? Oh, here it is. 2016, 91,000 BTU. Wow. Here, hopefully there's at least one old one here. Not running, yeah. None of these are gonna be running. It's like in the 60s right now. These have dual Copeland scroll compressor. I think most of these might be straight cool units. Don't know why there's a switch there. Not gonna mess with it. Pure on refrigerant. I'm pretty sure this is a Heil Carrier Weathermaster. Looks pretty new. Can't find a data sheet. Yeah, you know what? I think this one has the guts. This back here. You know what? These might all be straight cool. Over here, there's something up there. Don't know what that is. Yeah, there's a Copeland scroll. That's a 2017. Wouldn't be surprised if this is like a 20-ton. This is, I can't tell. There's the model number right there. If you think you can decipher the tonnage, it's really, really frustrating that this one has 4 fans. Yeah, I think this one might also be a Carrier Weathermaster. These might all be straight cool. Yeah, that's a straight cool. Copeland scroll. See if I can find anything else. No, it's not gonna be over here, obviously. Still not done filming. I know. Yeah, I think there's more units on the property. I'm sure of it. Hopefully one of them still remain. One of the old ones. They couldn't have all gotten replaced. Yeah, here's a Trane Odyssey right here. Don't know if that's a... Oh, those got huge compressors. Dual climate tough reciprocating. It's a Trane. I'm pretty sure that's an Odyssey. Yeah, this is from August of 1999. That's a... Okay, 150,000 BTUs, so that would be a 12.5 ton. It's a pretty big unit. And you know what? I'm pretty sure that's a straight cool. The only heat pump would appear to be that Heil. The first Heil that I filmed. The one that replaced the Carrier round one. Oh my word, I really wish I could have filmed that Carrier round one. It's really a shame. Yeah, I think there's more over here. Don't know if... Yeah, I don't think they're running. There's a Trane. 3 of them, actually. 3 XBs and an Odyssey. Oh, this... Oh! That's a heat pump. You know what? Yeah, it's a heat pump. This thing's got a huge compressor. This is probably like a... Yeah, this is... okay. February of 2005. That's a heat pump. I think all three of these right here are heat pumps. Yep. Climate tough reciprocating. This one has the standard fan blades. A lot of the units over here have been replaced. Really unfortunate. Let's see if I can find anything else. Or do you know, did I ever get the date off this? I know I got the date off this one right here. But these trains, it's, yeah, February of 05. Yep, same thing. Alright, well. Oh, my word. Yeah, so the round one and those. Okay. If I'm lucky, maybe I'll find another old unit. Nah, I doubt it. Dang it. I don't understand. Why would it get replaced? The only time I had plans to film it, it gets replaced. There's a pedestal fan right there. I don't think any of these are running. It's in the 60s right now. That is very, very, very unfortunate. There's the Trane Odyssey over here. Yeah, so the heat pumps would appear to be that first Heil I filmed in those, in two Trane XBs and the other Trane Odyssey. I believe this one's a straight cool unit. Yeah, that's it. I can't tell. It's kind of too dark to see down there. You know what? Here's an easy way to... I got a flashlight with me right here. It's probably a straight cool unit. Really rusted. Okay, so yeah, now these appear to be running. There's the... golly. Don't know what's up with this planet. Oh, there's the Heils, or two of the Heils. Yeah. The heat pump is over there. The Heil heat pump over there. That's very, very, very unfortunate that round one got replaced. Very unfortunate. Yeah, there's some more trains up there. They replaced it with these piece of junks. Here's the Heil again. My word. Has not been running, obviously. And here are the two York commercial units. There's the filter dryers. Oh well. Really a shame that the old units got replaced. Once again, unfortunately, I do not have a video of them. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.